Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So since I opened the Audi R8, if you guys have seen my unboxings, I have become a fan of Masdi 164, and this is like I think fifth Masdi car or sixth Masdi car, I guess. The two are Land Rover Defenders and oh no, not Defenders, I'm sorry, they were LCs actually. Defenders I have is from Tarmac and Mini GT. So the LCs were too good actually. And then I had the Audi, and then another Audi, and now this McLaren Senna. So I've been looking for this McLaren Senna from quite a time, and then I found it in international market. So I imported it through a friend of mine, and of course, magnetic box. This is a magnetic box. Wow. And you see the premium packing for this car. You just put your fingers like this, okay, and then it comes out. And then there is still this to keep the car secure, and you can see the car, right? So to hold it, there is a gap. See the car, see the gap. See how well they created it to keep the side mirrors safe, because they are not rubber like the Mini GT. And here is your McLaren Senna from Masdi. Let's see the base first. Let's check out the base. Base is very plain, just like the normal car. And look, third wheels, aerodynamic details, and we have locks here. So probably this is going to have calipers in the wheel. Yes, it does. It does have braking calipers. You can see, right? You see those little calipers inside? Very hard to see, right? But they are right there. And I'm thinking not to put this on the turntable. Instead, I'll show you guys the details in my hands. You see on the side, just like the real car, you can see through from here. The wheels are very good. They looks cool. The alloy silver wheels, and the color combination is so cool. That is the thing I loved about this car, and that's why I bought it. So you see that tail light details and everything, exhaust details are here, carbon fiber, everything is carbon fiber. Look at that. The spoiler is carbon fiber. Here's your front. Look at that crazy front. The headlights look cool. I don't know what that orange part is exactly, indicators or something, but I like it. Here's your McLaren logo also. This is also carbon fiber. And you see, you can see inside, right, from here. And then there are details for engine. Cool, right? And this is all carbon fiber. On the rear view we have silver color. It looks like rear view. Very nice. It is very detailed. At the end of the video I'll put it on the turntable to show you guys, but before that, let's see if it rolls. Yeah, it rolls really well and looks really cool. Rolls very good actually. So why I bought this actually, You guys might have seen in 2019 or 2020, Hot Wheels have released this car in this color only, and I really like that costume. Even though the proportions of Hot Wheels and the proportion of this car are way different, but from that perspective of the Hot Wheels and taking that into reference that the great McLaren Senna actually looks cool, I bought this. And I was right about it. It is even far, far beyond than better. This is like the best Senna, other than the mini GT version. I have the black Senna. This is the coolest one. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.